While the primary objective of industrial engineering is productivity improvement and cost reduction, other performance areas were also added or attempted by industrial engineers to augment their scope of activity. Quality or inspection is a part of the process chart. So, industrial engineers were having a focus on inspection and quality. Other areas like cycle time reduction, it is a part of the industrial engineering. Flexibility is another performance measure. It also became a part of industrial engineering. To do continuous improvement of processes, process chart method was proposed by Gilbreth. Subsequently, ASME standardized the process charts. In the effort to increase productivity, Taylor and Gilbreth insisted that quality and human comfort should not suffer. It's very important to stress this particular point. Industrial engineers always maintained quality while increasing the productivity. According to theory, increase in productivity should not result in deterioration of quality. Similarly, increase in productivity should not lead to any human discomfort. Principles of Industrial Engineering presented in ISC 2017 annual conference by Narayan Rao capture all the important issues that are part of industrial engineering discipline at the current time. Over 100 years, various developments in industrial engineering were summarized in this particular paper presented in the 2017 annual conference. Now, the Industry 4.0 is being welcomed by industrial engineering community, and industrial engineering 4.0 was already proposed. Computer aided industrial engineering has to be the basis for industrial engineering 4.0, which deals with process improvement of connected machines.